It's a jam-packed May para kay Pulang Araw star Alden Richards, kabilang na dyan ang pag-release ng kanyang idinirect na movie. At grateful din si Alden sa kanyang new award. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Maraming ganap si Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards ngayong month of May. Bukod sa kabi-kabilang endorsements, nakatakdang muling mag-host si Alden ng Coronation Night ng Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Ongoing din ang taping nila ng Kapuso biggest family drama of 2024, ang Pulang Araw. Ibinibigay ni Alden ang kanyang best para sa proyektong ito.
Worth it yung pagod, actually. I would like to really say my gratitude to the writers, of course to Ms. Suzette Doctolero and Direk Dominic Zapata for, doing their utmost hard work for this. Kasi this is dubbed as the, one of the biggest legacy series of GMA for 2024.
Bukod dyan, nakatakdang bumida si Alden sa ilang pelikula. Mas ganado nga raw siyang gumawa ng movie, lalo na't recently, pinarangalan si Alden ng Box Office Entertainment Awards 2024 bilang Box Office King para sa pinagbidahan at produce niyang film na 5 Breakups and a Romance.
During that time when we were making that film, we were very skeptical with the box office because after COVID, after pandemic, the lockdowns and everything, sobrang nagsistruggle yung Philippine cinema. But, sumugal kami lahat, it was worth it, and I share this award, to all the people who have been part of 5 Breakups and a Romance.
Ipalalabas na rin soon ang kanyang idinirect na movie na Out of Order. At kung bibigyan daw ng pagkakataong makapag-direct muli, nasa wishlist daw ni Alden na ma-direct si global fashion icon Heart Evangelista.
We see her as this, fashion icon, international fashion icon, but we go back to Heart's roots. Actress siya before eh. But syempre tatanungin ko muna si Heart kung gusto niyang pang bumalik sa pag-ate.
Sa kabila raw ng kabisihan sa trabaho, laging naglalaan ng oras para mag-exercise si Alden, who is now in his running era.
All of a sudden, in love ako sa pagtakbo eh. But really, it's really more of, getting into shape, since adult na tayo and yung work schedules is very demanding. Mas it pays to really watch your health rather than you abuse your body.
Aubrey Carampel, updated showbiz happenings.